tayo, okay, let's do the trading ourselves. Tayo yung mag-trade kasi pwede tayong kumita ng malaki. But you can only
Mm.
lose a lot. 'Di ba? Pwede ka ring
Mm.
matalo ng malaki. With the
Mhm.
OPEX, maliit lang. Actually, maliit lang
Mm.
siya kung titignan mo, pero secured yung ano mo, yung monthly na pwede mong maging income. Hindi siya kalakihan
Okay,
kung titignan mo.
we have a question here. Mostly ba panalo mag-invest sa ganito or parang sugal din na you have to risk everything?
Again, as I mentioned earlier, the risk that we only have with this system or with OPEX is 3%. Yun lang, yun ang pinaka-risk factor
Mm.
mo. Unlike sa traditional forex trading, nagpapatrade ka ng pera, pwede kang ang risk nila kasi malaki kasi nga hinahabol nila yung malaking kita, 'di ba? So, they
Mm.
can risk your money 50%, 70%. Malaki yung puwedeng maging panalo, pero yung risk mo malaki rin. So, this one, yung OPEX is for people na gusto nila safe lang. Alam mo 'yun? Yung
Correct, correct.
I want to earn, pero ayoko namang i-gamble yung pera ko ng malaki, 'di ba?
Correct,
Yun
correct.
'yun.
Correct.
Kasi
Parang ano, parang go
if
ahead.
okay na sa'yo yung 5%, 'di ba? 5% to 10%
Mm.
na kita on your capital, that's a month, so puwede ka na.
Mm. And parang ano lang yan eh, kung parang relationship lang nga yan eh, 'di ba? Kung kayo babae, sagutin niyo yung lalaki, risk din yun eh. Sa umpisa
Correct.
okay, mamaya pala hindi
Oo,
pala okay,
hindi
'di ba?
pala, oo, 'di
Parang
ba? So,
parang may
tandaan niyo,
Valentine's.
yeah. Oh, how does forex compare to other markets daw, sabi ni Dustin. I'm not sure about I mean, for stocks, let's talk about crypto, for example. One, crypto. Crypto is very volatile, 'di ba? Very
Mhm.
volatile siya. So, if you're going to the forex market na using the traditional wherein, alam mo 'yon, yung ikaw talaga yung gagawa or ikaw yung magte-trade, napakalaki din ng risk. The only reason that me personally 'no, 'di ba, sabi ko nga kanina, I
Mm.
don't go into forex trading. Ang tagal ko na sa market but I never touch forex kasi alam ko napaka-risky niya. The only reason that I get into forex is because of OPEX. Nung
Mm.
kinausap kasi
Mhm.
ako dito ng friend ko, sabi niya kasi alam niya ayoko talaga, eh. Nung kinausap ko ng friend ko, sabi niya sa'kin na, "No, no, no, hindi ikaw yung magte-trade. Kasi I don't have
Mm.
the time to do that. I don't have the knowledge to
Mhm.
do that, but I want to earn." 'Di ba?
Mhm.
So, okey na sa'kin yun. Sabi ko, okey na sa'kin yung gano'n na, conservative.
Mhm.
We call it conservative. Kasi sa forex
Mhm.
conservative yung rate na yun, Marami diyan sa market,
Mhm.
Roy, mag-aalok sa'yo 20%, 30%, even 50% a
Mm.
month. Pero yung risk mo
Mhm.
napakalaki.
Exactly. May ano si Dustin follow-up question. Isn't
Oh,
trading the same as
no,
gambling?
it's not.
Okay.
Dustin, forex trading has been in the market for 500 years, even earlier than crypto.
Mhm. Okay, so technically, forex is yun nga kasi times has changed. Dati parang mano-mano pa. Ngayon may AI na.
Yes,
So
that's the
yun yung
only
ano.
reason.
Yeah,
Kaya
kanina Ray,
nag-uusap tayo.
yeah. A while ago you said before we 'di ba sabi mo ipo-promote ka, but before that
Yeah.
ano yung when you entered into this space of trading itong ano, anong mga nabago sa buhay mo?
Marami.
Okay.
Let's talk about yung journey 'no, the journey. Um,
Okay.
when I started way back in 1998, I started with MLM. Kasi ano ko, I wasn't able to
Mm.
graduate. I got married early,
Mm.
so, hindi ako nakapag-college. So siyempre if
Mhm.
you are at that age, tapos wala kang degree and I have 4 beautiful kids actually. Wala
Mhm.
kang 'di ba? So, parang
Mhm.
anong puwede mong gawin? So, ito
Mhm.
kasing multi-level marketing, ito yung wala siyang tinitignan na age, status, 'di ba?
Correct, correct.
Um, it's open for everybody. So, dun ako nag-start. Actually, that's where my journey started. So, over
Mhm.
this past 25 years, I tried everything. Risk taker ako, eh. So,
Mhm. Okay.
talagang sinubukan ko lahat.
Mhm.
Nauso yung mga computer or yung mga website na yan, I even studied it. Gumawa ako ng website na wala akong kaalam-alam sa
Mhm.
computer. Okay?
Mhm. Okay,
So,
okay, okay.
do'n mo makikita na tayo nun. Parang we have that innate ability kung gusto lang talaga natin. to do something,
Mhm.
pag pinukusan mo yan, pwede mo talagang gawin. So
Mm.
with marketing, so I started with MLM, I go into offline marketing, yung mga traditional selling, napasok ko yan. Now, what changed me when I started with way back 2010, nag-start ako ng webinar.
Mhm. Okay.
Wala pang Zoom, walang ganito way back 2010.
Mm.
So, ang gamit
Okay,
namin
okay.
noon is GoToWebinar. I don't know if you've heard of
Okay.
that.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, yeah.
yun yung start. So, na-enjoy ko talaga yung online. Sabi ko, uy, okay to ah. So,
Mhm. Okay, okay.
nag-shift na ako from offline marketing to online marketing. So,
Mm.
doon ko nakita na there are a lot of things to be done. Wala pang work from home, guys. Wala pang work from home, nagwo-work from home na ako.
Okay,
Ginagawa
okay.
ko na 'to. So,
Okay.
talagang advance, eh, 'no? So, yun ang nakakatuwa with ano. So, the tools is there. It can really change our life. Kailangan lang talaga na we have to adapt. Kailangan i-adapt
Mm.
natin yung sarili natin. Don't
Mm.
be too scared of risking. Kasi minsan, 'di ba, parang napipigilan tayo dahil natatakot tayo baka ganito, baka ganyan. Aralin
Mm.
natin. Aralin natin kasi there's
Mhm.
so much opportunities out there.
Mhm.
Katulad nito,
So
'di nga ako marunong mag-trading pero nasa trading ako ngayon.
so technically anong mga okay when you entered itong ano yung Opitex and then ano kasi nakikita ko kasi kami pala ni Rach we're friends sa Facebook.
Yan.
Nakikita ko you're going abroad left and right.
Oh,
So para
yes.
okay, tell us more about it. Paano ano, so doon ba yan galing?
Yeah.
Okay.
When I started my online business, or I call this business, it's actually a business, right? So when
Mhm.
I went from offline to online, I was fortunate enough to be able to get acquainted with companies that not just give you monetary, kumikita ka na, nakakapag-travel
Mhm.
ka pa. Yun yung mga
Mhm.
hinahanap ko sa mga companies that I associate with or that I do. Yung tipong hindi lang yung financial, kasi yung financial pwede mo namang kitain yan kahit saan, tama ba?
Kristi ka, di ba sabi ko kanan sa MLM ka? Di ba yun yung
Hmm,
MLM, yun yung may mga pagandahan ng kotse, di ba ganun yun sila?
sila.
Sa MLM.
Kasi parang ano lang, eh, alam mo yun, yung parang it's superficial, eh, 'di ba? Kasi if you have the money, ba't
Okay.
hindi mo naman kailangan i-flaunt yan,
Opo. Oo nga
'di
din kasi
ba? So
dito kasi yung parang, may mga ano dahil sa MLM yung isa nakabili na ng bahay. I don't know if
hmm,
I don't know may yung isa naman bumili ng napakamahaling sasakyan, fino-flaunt niya yung ano, na dahil dito parang gano'n. Eh, 'di ba na MLM ka? So
yeah.
hindi mo na-try yun compare dito sa Opitex?
Siguro kasi iba-iba yung level ng tao when it comes to success, tama? Like
Okay,
for
okay.
me, sa'kin, mas mahilig ako talaga bumiyahe. For me,
Hmm,
alam mo yun,
nga.
sa'kin kasi it's the experience. Yung
Mhm.
yung mga bagay kasi puwede mong bilhin yan, eh, 'di ba? Puwede mong bilhin yan. Pero yung experience that you get out of, traveling, especially 'pag libre, 'di ba? If it's free, ibang level. So ako,
Exactly, exactly.
I am more into that. I look for
Mhm,
companies that they can give the opportunity for me,
mhm,
my friends, yung mga
mhm,
members ko, for them to experience life outside.
mhm.
Because yung
Yeah, okay.
experience, alam mo, hindi nababayaran yan, Roy.
Exactly, exactly. Anyway, dun tayo sa sabi mo ipa-plug ka. Okay, it's all yours. Go ahead.
Okay. Yes. So, uh, okay, we have an event actually, Upix Tech. Okay, we have meron
Mhm,
kasi tayo ditong hub for the Philippines. We have a community actually. May community na tayo ng mga traders dito sa Philippines, mga IB, introducer brokers, no. So we have an event on February 18, which is a Sunday. So if you're just from Manila, you can message me. I don't know, Roy, how I can give my number. If someone can text, can you give my number in the screen?
yeah,
Hindi ako makapag-chat, eh.
we
Oo.
will have it, okay, we will have it, siguro puwede ilagay natin. Ano bang
Yan,
number
yan.
yan?
Thank you. Yan. So, you can get in touch with me so that I can brief you on how you can go and attend our training. Okay? And then, actually, tonight, we have a schedule kasi global po itong company na to. So, we are not just talking about the Philippine market. If you
Mhm.
have, friends abroad who also would like to take a look at AI using Forex trading, so, pwede